Hello, welcome to the short-term weather forecast for April 4th, 2026. This video, I'm Abe Penny, and this video will be about the line of storms approaching from the northwest this Saturday afternoon. So, to start off, these storms will likely enter the area between 1 and 4 p.m., and since it's a decently slow-moving cold front that's pushing these, they will likely be here for maybe an hour, and then they will leave. And since this is on a cold front, we expect some temperature drops after this, but that's not the subject of this video. I will talk about that in tomorrow's forecast video. The subject of the video is severe weather. There is a non-zero chance of severe weather across the entire region today, and the Storm Prediction Center has put us under a level 1 out of 5 for severe weather, which is named marginal, but I don't use the names because I don't like them. So 1 out of 5 risk, and it's the dark green color. This marginal highlights the threat for damaging winds of 60 miles per hour and greater. A small chance. It says 5%. I think it's a little bit higher than 5% personally, but that's what they say. So these winds will likely arrive at the leading edge of the storm, which if I pause it here. Right now, it's in the northern Austin, the Temple, and the Waco area, but it will be here in a few. It will be to Grimes County in a few hours. But I expect the main threat to be along the leading edge here, right at the beginning. So any severe weather that does happen, it will be right when the storms hit. And then after that, if there's any severe weather after that, it will mainly just be rain for the next maybe hour. I'm not sure. So, like I said, and of course there is not really a hail risk at all. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. I would expect there will be some sort of hail somewhere, but it would probably only be about pea-sized to half-dollar sized hail, which doesn't really cause much damage to anything really. So I would say you don't have to cover your cars today, but you should prepare for heavy rain, thunder, a lot of lightning, and gusty winds, because those are going to be the main threats today. Speaking of, let's look at the flash flooding risk. So the biggest threat of this storm is actually flash flooding, seemingly. This actually, I'm kind of surprised. This has changed since when I last tried to film this video, but as you can see, most of the area here is in the yellow in terms of flash flooding risk, which is a 2 out of 4 chance of rainfall capable of flash flooding. And I think that's generally due to the fact that we've had a jarring increase in rainfall over the past few days. Of course, with the small showers yesterday, with a little bit of sprinkles this morning, and then the huge line of storms on Thursday, which is the elephant in the room. I think those 3 days have saturated the ground enough that it can't hold much more, considering we were in a drought for the past 4 weeks, and technically still are in a drought, but hopefully that changes soon. So yeah, there is a chance of flash flooding in all of these areas, including Anderson, Navasota, Bedice, Singleton, Iola, Richards, Carlos, Plantersville, Yarborough, Whitehall, and just pretty much this whole area, and also places out of the counties such as College Station, Brenham, Somerville, Madisonville, Huntsville. And in the green here, there's a 1 out of 4 chance of flash flooding. So not as enhanced, but it's still there, and that includes Houston, Conroe, Montgomery, Todd, Mission, Magnolia, Splendora, Roman Forest, Pearland, League City, Galveston, all that, basically everything else is in the green category. So if you encounter flash flooding, turn around, don't drown. Flash flooding deaths occur for most of the weather deaths in the U.S. outside of extreme heat, and floods can happen very quickly and easily. Like if you're driving, a road may be washed out, but you can't see it from over the water. So yeah, just take that into account. And with that, I don't think I have much more to say. If there is severe weather or significant flash flooding, we will go live on this YouTube channel. So if it's like raining really hard outside your house, I would recommend you check the Instagram or check the YouTube to see if we're live streaming. We don't live stream on Instagram, but we do live stream on YouTube. So check the YouTube channel. And I forgot one last thing: the tornado threat. There's nothing much to say here. There's not really any tornado threat. I would say 1 or 2 brief or weak tornadoes as possible, but there's no guarantee at all. So that shouldn't really be a worry. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.